4200 46 Avenue South.
Alright, this is 4200 46 Ave South, and this is what we've been pulling out of the lines. All this cast iron scale. So we got the lines descaled. We're just going to run the camera through the lines after jetting and take a look and see how the lines are. Notice how it's much more round. So this is our jump up into the house. You can see that the pipe itself is a lot more round. It doesn't look nearly as rough. That goes to the master. So we got a little bit of standing water in here, but not enough to cause any problems. This is going back towards the back of the house, towards the kitchen. This cleaned up really nice. Couple teeny tiny little pieces. So right here on our right side, that picks up the bathroom that's in the back of the house as well as the garage, and then going straight it picks up the kitchen. So we made sure we jetted out all those branch lines. So take another look at it coming out, and then what we're going to want to do is flow test. Just flush a couple of toilets for me. Let's check the flow. That's where that master comes in. And then I'm going to hang out right here in the main line and watch the flow.
So everything's flowing good right now. And everything.
So we're just waiting for toilets to flush now. Alright, so the flow looks great. We ran the toilets, everything came out beautiful. So I'm back in the ditch now, and I'm going to conclude the video.